Okay, so hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar. Let's start a quick SolidWorks tutorial. This video is not going to be so advanced, and this video is without any kind of blueprint. So we will start it directly. So let's see how we are going to do that. This video is about a cylindrical part with some curved cuts on it. So let's see how we are going to do that. It's a little bit tricky part. So let's start modeling. First of all, you have to go and you can choose any kind of dimension you want as per requirement, because it's a practice video just for the demonstration of a technique. Now go to top plane because we need to make a cylinder. That's why we are going to start with the top plane. Now make a circle. Here I'm using mmgs, millimeter gram per second. Here we need to make two circles, right? So the outer circle, the diameter of the outer circle will be, let's make this one, uh, let's make this one 50, doesn't matter. And this one will 45. Okay, we will make this one as 45. Now here you see. Now go to feature, go to extruded boss base. As you all know, we need to extrude this one equally in both directions. So how? Go here, go in direction option, select midplane. When you will select midplane, it will become something like this. So now you just need to give some dimension. Simply give it 90, or let's make this one 100. I think 100 is fine. Now here we need to make a curve, but the curve we need to get wrapped on this part, and we also need to make a cut here. So how? We cannot directly make a cut. So how we are going to do that? Uh, Go to first, we need to make a plane here, right? So go here in feature, go to reference geometry, select plane. Now we need to make a plane here. On which plane? The plane which lies exactly in the middle of it, on the in front plane, right? You can change the direction. You can make plane anywhere you want. Doesn't matter. And simply make this one open. Now here you see. We need to make a drawing here on this plane. So come here. Now here, make a line like this. Again, come here, center, and make one more line like this. See, the drawing is happening on this part, the profile. Okay, go normal to, and this time we need to see give some dimension. Make this one 10, and we will make this one all 10 also. Make this one 10 also. Now here you see. Now what we need to do? Simply come here and select midline. No, not like it. Simply make a line like this. Okay. Now here you see. Again come here. Take one more line like this. One more line like this from here. Okay. Select this one, and make this one 5. Also select this one and select this one and make this one 5. You have to make sure that the profile that we will make like exactly in the middle of it. Okay, select this point and select this point, and here you see. Let me check, it's 10. Something wrong. Make this one 10 too. Now here you see. Now it looks perfect. Now come here. Select this point here, this point, and select this point. Now it's 15 by default. Now when you select this one and select this one is also 16.5. Okay, no worry. Here it's 5, so we need to make this one 5. Actually, the problem is here. Make this one 5 too. Now here you see. This one is 15 and this one is 15. Now go to smart dimensions, select this point and select this point. This time we need to give dimension to this one, distance from here to here, right? Make this one 20 and make this one 22. I mean 20. Now here you see it lies exactly in the middle of it. Now we need to make two sets with we need to make here two lines, right, with the same dimension, but The center of this profile that we will make, the center of the profile will lie exactly in the middle of it. So how? This time we will select offset entities and select this one. It's 10, not 10. Let's make this one 5. Okay, again go here and change the direction 5. Now here you see it looks absolutely fine. Simply trim this one and take center line and come here and connect it like this. Again, one more thing here, and now go to circle, make a circle like this. Again, one more circle like this. Select this one, select this one. Now here you see this profile looks absolutely perfect. No need to do anything. Okay. Now here you see everything is done. Now let me check the dimension. Is to 144. Let's make this one 115. Actually, cannot make any changes, but it's fine. Okay. Now simply exit. Now here we have the drawing. Now how? We will put this profile on this cylindrical body. How? Here you have an option for wrap entities. Simply select this circle, go to wrap entities. Now here you see. And this is the entity on which we are going to paste. So simply select this one. Now here you see. It get pasted. It will become something like this. Now here we need to give some depth. The thickness of this one was 5 mm, right? So it says let's make this one 10 because we need to make a completely hollow section here, and we need to select this one and make this one okay. Now here you see. Can you see? Simply hide this one. Now here you see. This is what I was trying to say. Now here you see we have this kind of profile. We cannot make this thing directly with the help of extruded cut. This is a technique that I have to use for making this kind of thing, and this kind of thing is mostly used in food industry. This one is you can make use this one as a cutter, right? Where there are blades and there's cutting. The product is coming from upside upward direction, and it cut like this. Now here we have this one, and we need 3 copy of this thing. You can also make 4. So simply how? I already had told you. Go to linear pattern, not linear pattern. Go to circular pattern. Here you have to select the entities. This is the entity. Now go to direction and select this one. Now here you see. Simply make this one 4. Can you see? See, it's 4. See, it's 4. Now this thing is absolutely fine. If you want, then you can make fillets and chamfers here, but we don't need to do anything here. This is what we have done today. So I hope that you liked the video. This is a very new kind of video, a very new technique. So I hope that you had liked the video. Please go and subscribe channel and also click on the bell notification icon so you will get notified every time. And next time I will also make this kind of interesting video so you will understand how to make complex materials and how to make complex materials in a very simple way. Complex design in a very simple way. Thanks for watching.